Let's make homemade liquid laundry detergent that is clear free and that will last you a whole year for less than $20. So let me show you everything you're going to need. You're going to run to Walmart and you're going to get you a 5-gallon bucket. Then you want to grab the Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. You're also going to grab some borax as well. Lastly, you're going to also want to purchase some Zote soap or Castile soap, whichever one you prefer. Keep in mind, Walmart does sell the Zote flakes. I highly suggest that you don't buy those because it does not break down very well when you're making this liquid laundry detergent. So I will now be providing y'all a screenshot of the cost of everything, and trust me, when you add everything up, it total to less than $20. And if you're wondering, yes, you can use this in a HE washing machine. And yes, it is perfect for sensitive skin because I have sensitive skin, especially people that have eczema. So to go ahead and start making the soap, you want to add 12 cups of water to a pot to boil. So I'm using a 4-cup measuring cup, and it's going to help me get that exact measurement. You guys are going to be boiling a lot of water, so pay close attention. So go ahead and put your water on the stove on high. I like to place the lid because when I look over, it lets me know like, okay, the water is boiling when that lid gets completely foggy. So now you want to go ahead and open your Zote. You can either shred it or chop it. I prefer chopping instead of shredding because shredding just takes too damn long. As y'all can see, I was like, this is taking too long. So I went ahead and chopped it up. Next, you want to remove the first cup of boiling water from the stove and place it into the pot. Okay, y'all, don't burn yourself because I almost burned myself. Now you want to add the Zote soap to the boiling water in the bucket. Then you want to add 14 cups of water to the pot to boil. Yes, 14, not 12. So I added an additional 2 cups to this pot to boil. So after letting the Zote sit for a good 3 to 4 minutes, you want to stir the previous 12 cups of boiling water in Zote. Then you want to add 1 cup of Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda to the bucket, as you can see, as I did right now. Next, you want to add 1 cup of borax to the bucket. I highly suggest that if you have a bigger family, greater than 2, that you double the recipe. Okay, y'all, so you can see I'm adding the borax in. Now you're going to give it a good mix. Just mix, 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 mix. It reminds me of oatmeal. I ain't going to lie to y'all. Then now it's time to add the second batch of boiling water to the bucket. I highly suggest that you be careful and do not burn yourself, y'all, because I almost did. Now you want to give it a good mix. And lastly, you want to top it off with 24 cups of regular water from the faucet. You do not have to boil this. This actually allows it to cool down a little bit and it allows it to thicken. Now you're gonna let it sit for 24 hours. However, you must stir it, y'all, every few hours because it will get thick like jelly. After 1 hour, it will start to thicken. And then after 6 hours, y'all, it will be really, really thick, just like regular laundry detergent. Now, comment down below, would you make your own laundry detergent at home or are you going to continue to buy it at the store? If you enjoy content like this, follow for more.